Greetings, wonderful people, and welcome to the VitalGlow Life YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the lush greenery of Ayurvedic wisdom, focusing on the secrets it holds for holistic hair care. We'll explore why nurturing your hair with nature's bounty not only enhances its beauty but also contributes to overall well-being. Ready to dive into the world of Ayurveda and hair care? Here we go. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian medical system, offers a wealth of wisdom for maintaining luscious and healthy hair. Immersed in the roots of holistic health and wellness, Ayurveda views the human body as a combination of three fundamental energies, or doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These doshas, according to Ayurveda, also dictate our hair types. Vata, characterized by dryness, can lead to brittle hair. Pitta, associated with heat, can cause premature graying or thinning. Kapha, identified by its oiliness, can result in heavy, oily hair. Understanding your dosha can be a game changer in your hair care routine. Now, let's delve into some magical ingredients that Ayurveda introduces us to. The first one is amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, amla strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Next in line is brahmi. This herb is a potent remedy for hair loss and can also relieve scalp itchiness. It's also known to darken the hair, making it a natural solution for graying hair. Lastly, we have Bhringraj. Often termed as the king of herbs, Bhringraj stimulates hair growth, reduces hair fall, and treats dandruff and dry scalp. What's notable about Ayurveda is its emphasis on natural, chemical-free products. It encourages the use of ingredients that are plant-based, eco-friendly, and remarkably effective. Isn't it fascinating how Ayurveda can address hair care in such a comprehensive and personalized manner? Now let's put theory into practice with some easy, effective Ayurvedic hair care tips. One of the fundamental practices of Ayurvedic hair care is regular oil massages. These massages stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and health. You can use oils like coconut, sesame, or almond, each providing unique benefits. A weekly massage left overnight and washed off the next morning can work wonders. Next up, herbal hair masks. These are a wonderful way to nourish your hair and scalp, providing them with essential nutrients. A mask made from amla or Indian gooseberry and fenugreek seeds, for instance, can help strengthen hair follicles and reduce hair fall. Apply this mask once or twice a week, leaving it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have diet. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet for healthy hair. Foods rich in protein, iron, and vitamin C are particularly beneficial. This includes lentils, spinach, citrus fruits, and nuts. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference to your hair health. So, there you have it. Oil massages, herbal hair masks, and a balanced diet. Three simple yet effective Ayurvedic practices that can be easily integrated into your daily hair care routine. Remember, consistency is key. Make these Ayurvedic practices a part of your regular routine for the best results. We've shared some Ayurvedic wisdom today and we hope you found it insightful and helpful. We've explored the essence of Ayurveda in hair care and offered practical tips to incorporate these time-honored techniques into your routine, aiming for healthier, stronger, more lustrous locks. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more beauty and wellness content. Stay radiant and we'll see you next time. You.